Hello, welcome to our 3D modeling, your go-to channel for 3D modeling tutorials using SolidWorks. Today, we'll explore the SolidWorks interface to help you get comfortable with this powerful 3D CAD software. Let's begin with the Command Manager. This is your central hub for accessing various tools and commands in SolidWorks. You will find it at the top of your screen, and it's divided into tabs like Features, Sketch, and Evaluate. Each contains a set of related tools. For example, the Features tab includes essential tools for creating and modifying 3D models, while the Sketch tab contains tools for 2D drawing. Next, we have the Graphics area, the main workspace where you'll create and visualize your design. This is where your models will come to life as you sketch and build. As you work, you'll see your sketches and 3D models dynamically update in this area. Over here, on the left, is the FeatureManager Design Tree. This panel provides a view of all the features and components in your model, making it easy to keep track of your work and make adjustments as needed. You can quickly navigate through your model's history and make edits by right-clicking any item in the tree. Now, let's put it all together and see how you can navigate through the SolidWorks interface smoothly. As you can see, the interface is designed to be intuitive and efficient, allowing you to focus on what matters most, bringing your ideas to life. Don't forget to subscribe to our 3D modeling for more tips and tutorials. Stay tuned for our next video where you'll dive into sketching basics in SolidWorks, learning the foundational skills you need to start creating detailed and precise sketches. You won't want to miss it.